So this is Geodora Estate along Uratta, Owerri. You can see the environment. It's a built-up environment. That's the gate there. You can see the gatehouse and one of the buildings that is already being decked right here in the estate. See the environment. It's actually a fast-growing environment. Look at the roofs. Very fast-growing environment. And right here in Geodora, plots are selling for just 6 million naira. 6 million naira. You can see. This is Geodora, just behind IMSU back gate, behind the Owerri Sports Club, right in town, in the heart of town. You can see, and there are just 3 plots available here left, just 3 plots. The estate comes with a registered survey and an irrevocable power of attorney. The estate comes with a registered survey and an irrevocable power of attorney. Searchable, is registered at Ministry of Lands. Here is in Owerri, just at the back of Imo Sports Club, or at the back of IMSU, Imo State University. You know, the back entrance, back gate. From Bishop's Court roundabout, take right. So as if you're coming from MCC Uratta Prefab and you're heading to Okigwe Road, or that IMSU front gate road, you know, just somewhere around there, you take right and then it gets you to this estate. Okay, it's a very fast developing environment. You can see the buildings around. These ones are the estate, but outside the estate you can see buildings. The owner is very magnanimous and he's selling for just 6 million naira a plot. Just 6 million. There are 3 plots remaining, 3 fastest fingers, and they are together. So if you're buying the 3, so right now we are here. This is the estate. This is the full estate, but we're right here right now at this curve right here, right there. You can see the fence curved up until this gate, okay, and this gate is here, right here. So these 3 plots here are for sale, and let me show you where they are. This is Uratta, right? Uratta. Okay, this is eboh. Okay, this boundary between Uratta. Oh, beautiful. Those guys are constructing. They're doing their own construction down there. You can see, doing their own construction down there. And here, this is the 3 plots together. It's a very beautiful piece of property. You can see, neatly cleared. That's it. Let me hold this away. That's it, Abi. The first one is 476 square meters, 475 and 467. You can see, and there's a piece of road beside it. So that is it. There's meant to be a little road here. You can buy the 3 of them, which is better, so that you just take everything and use it for including the road, and use it for what you want to do with it. Okay, because if you buy just the 2, there'll be a little road here, so that the 3rd person can have access, the 2nd and 3rd can have access into their own plot. Call me if you're buying one or the other. Call me now on 08096737668 and let us bring you for site inspection, and then you make your payment. 6 million naira a plot. So the 3 is going for just 18 million naira for the 3. I think it's very affordable for a registered estate. I'm right in the heart of town. It's not way off town. So go ahead and give me a call now and let us deal. Enjoy a great day. This is one of the estate entrances. And you can see there are buildings across from this side. A lot of construction work everywhere, motorable and stuff. Enjoy a great day.